Good morning. I think it's like, I don't know, day before New Year's Eve or something. The dog, Wolfy. Wolfy, hey, look here, Wolf. This dog is totally out of control. She wants my breakfast. She won't leave me alone. You want this? Are you sure? Are you sure? Well, I don't want to give it to you if you're going to waste it. Okay, here. Don't bite me. Well, the dog, I don't know, she must got hungry. Look what happened. Holes everywhere. She did it to me again. She destroyed this whole place. Look, the wires are hanging out of the ceiling. Wolf? Wolfie? Hey. Why did you ruin everything? It's going to be a lot of work to put this all together. Did you know that? It's your fault. Yeah. Know what she says? She says, bullshit, you did this. And she's right. You're right. Yeah, you're right. You just watched me do it. Are you being a good dog? Hey, you're too close. Get your stinky dog breath. She says, your breath is worse. You're sassy. You're a sassy little mutt. You're biting me. I give you food and you bite me? You're biting me. Hey. No! Get your snout away. That's what my grandma used to say. Get your snout back. I miss you, Harriet, Grandma. Grandma Harriet and Grandpa Homer. And Mom and Dad. Look at... Oh, you're going to stick your dirty-ass squirrel in my food. No, you're not. You want this? No, she brings me her toys when she wants to go out. I finally figured that out. I didn't understand before. It's my toy. My squirrel. I'm eating it. I paid for it. Can I chew on it? Can you speak? You're going to talk to me about this. Oh, no. Wild dog attack. She's so funny. Wild dog attack. Oh, no. I think she likes playing more than she likes food. No, it depends. We had homemade deep dish Chicago-style pizza last night. Do you want this? Huh? Are you sure? You wanted me to throw this for you? Hey, are you ready? Are you ready? She says, you haven't let me out yet. Beware. You're going to get a puddle on the floor. She was out at 3 in the morning. I think it's about 7 now. Yeah. If I was smart, I'd take her out right now. But I'm not smart. I just keep her in my view at all times. That's probably what she's going to do. She's going to make a trick. Like have me throw this out in the living room and pee when I'm not looking. Hey. Can't trust this dog. Can't trust this dog. Gotta say hello to Nunya. I hope your back is getting better. And Mr. Ken. And the crazy German Shepherd lady, our friend Lori. No, I don't think she's Lori. I get everyone's names mixed up. And Maverick Rain, German Shepherds. Oh my God, that guy's got a channel. Beautiful dogs. Really nice guy. And Fox. Fox, the cutest dog in the West. Oh my God. That's my favorite channel, just about, besides mine. I was with her since she had about 200 subscribers. Now she's got probably, I don't know, millions. No, millions. Sorry, Fox, I misrepresented you. Got to tell the truth. I think she's got, I don't know, probably by now 125,000, maybe 150,000. I'm going to look after this. I'll put it in the comments. She's an amazing lady. And Fox is the cutest little dog. He was rescued, and he loves to play ball, and everyone needs to watch his show. Fox, the cutest dog in the West. Ow! He lives in Arizona. Get out of here. She's wild. Someone yelled at me the other day, kind of left a comment that they don't like people that yell at animals. Well, try having a dog like this and not yelling. The house would be gone. But she's a nice lady. I love her. Yeah, I miss her a lot. She used to be on live all the time. And there's a lot of people trust me to be moderator for their shows. And I will never abuse that trust. Wolfie, where are you going? Are you doing the pee on a carpet trick? Come here. She says, me? I would never do anything wrong. Oh, it's not in the middle of the holiday season. Hey, Wolfie. No, come here. I don't trust you. Come here, you. Wolf. What are you doing, you crazy mutt? Oh, another one we should shout out is Dream's Place. She's an old friend. And her son, Seth. I think it's Seth W. He's a nice guy. You could trust him for sure. And Dreams, obviously, you could trust her. And Mama Redneck. Yeah. Susan's a wonderful lady. So, I'm forgetting millions of people. Mary's Place. Wolfie. And Nora. Northern Ohio Railroad Action. He's a great guy. You could trust him with your life. All right, guys. I'm getting off here. I wasted 8 minutes of your time. Have a good one. We love everyone. No drama. Make this the best year ever. The next year is going to be the greatest. Because we're all going to try hard. No drama. Except me. I'm allowed to have drama. Make drama. Nunya, good morning. I know you're going to watch this. And Elena. And 2 Florida Dogs. And Leo, the German Shepherd. There's so many good channels. Bye, guys. Love you all.